Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Negril. This is the west end, and Negril is a town in Westmoreland, and this is the westernmost part of Jamaica. You always hear them talk about Negril Point, and you can see the ocean here. Now the west end has a lot of villas, hotels, guest houses, because Negril is one of the top tourist destinations in the world. Now, this side of Negril doesn't really have the beach, it's more cliffs or rocks, but the hotels do very well still because it's still Negril. That's why they call it the West End. So you can tell the difference between this end and the part that is on Norman Manley Boulevard. So let's take a tour through West End, and just to give you an example of how popular this place is, Rick's Cafe was voted amongst the top 10 bars in the world, and Rick's Cafe is on the West End side. And it's also very popular and famous for cliff diving, where you jump off the cliffs into the water. Alright, so let's take a tour here now. You're going to see a lot of guest houses, villas, hotels. This is basically a tourist area. Now these hotels, you're not going to find the all-inclusive experience that you would find at the five-star hotels, but this is just a different kind of vacation. But you have a lot of restaurants, a lot of activity. Now this end on the grill would be perfect for a cruise ship here. As you can see, a lot of the buildings actually have like decks or something into the water, so persons can sit down and say have dinner on the and look out at the ocean. Okay, on the right is Ocean Cliff. It's another very popular hotel. On the left is some villas. So every building on the right is basically a villa or a hotel, and every other building on the left is a hotel or a villa. And you also have a lot of stores on the left as well that would sell basically anything related to the tourism experience. Okay, on the left is Extabi, and it's also on the right. It's on both sides of the road. It's another very popular hotel. right is Coral Seas Cliff Hotel. If anybody has stayed in any of these hotels, you can leave a message in the comment section letting us know what the experience was like and how much it cost. I'm curious to know how much it would cost to stay in one of these hotels. Some of them look very nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.